Hello guys, good morning. This is Mukesh Kumar and today I am going to tell you a brief introduction and major science fiction work of a writer H.G.Wells who belongs to 20th century English literature. So guys, if you are a student of English literature, then you must watch this video because it will be very helpful for your exams. Now I am going to start with the introduction of the writer H.G. Wells. His full name was Herbert George Wells. He was born in 1866. His father, Joseph Wells, was an unsuccessful shopkeeper and professional cricketer. H.G. Wells was an English novelist, journalist, sociologist, and historian. At the age of 18, he got a scholarship to study biology at the Normal School of Science in London, where T.H. Huxley was one of his teachers. H.G. Wells graduated from London University in 1888 and became a science teacher there. His first published work was a textbook of biology. H.G. Wells was known as the father of science fiction. Now I am going to tell you about all his science fiction works which are very important. You just remember the name of all science fiction works. Okay. The first one is The Time Machine 1895, The Wonderful Invisit 1895, The Islands of Dr. Moreau 1896, The Invisible Man 1897, The Wars of the World 1898, The Man in the Moon 1901, and the last one is The Foods of the Gods 1904. So guys, if you are preparing for UGC NET exam, you just remember title only. You don't need to go in the depth of any science fiction work. You just remember title, which are very important. So more updated video, you just like, comment and subscribe my channels. Thank you.